Hi everyone, my name is Lena, welcome to my channel, and today I'd like to share a very quick and easy recipe. I won't tell you much about it until you actually see if you like it or not, but let's put it this way, it's a very easy recipe that you can have for a summer party, or if some friends are coming round later in the evening for a few glasses of wine. So it's that type of a very quick recipe. It only takes 20 minutes to cook and it takes only 15 minutes to prepare. It's very easy, very simple, delicious, so stick around. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, and don't forget to click the link below so that you're next notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for sticking around. Let me know your thoughts on this quick and easy recipe, and so let's get cooking. Bye. So we're going to start with two pastries, but first of all we need some fresh parchment paper, and we're going to place our round puff pastry onto the parchment paper. All the ingredients that I'm using will be noted down in the description box, so if you go there and have a quick look, I'm going to leave all the ingredients that I'm using in today's cooking recipe. So once that's neatly done, we're going to get our Camembert cheese, and we're just going to unwrap that and place the whole cheese onto the center of our pastry. So the next step is to get your salami cubes, anything you can get, or you can get the round ones, it's entirely up to you, or you can place peppers, but we're going to use salami because this is what this recipe is, and we're just going to spread that all over our pastry. So the salami has been spread nice and neatly, the pastry's covered. Next we want to get some chopped parsley, and we're just going to sprinkle that, and again spreading it all over our pastry. So far so good. So now, this is optional, we're going to sprinkle some garlic, or you can use some fresh garlic, but this is all for a quick, easy, convenient food, so we're just going to sprinkle as much garlic as you want onto there, depending on your preference. And now we're going to use some black pepper, or you can use white pepper. Again, sprinkle as much or as little as you require. And we're also going to be sprinkling some sweet red pepper on there as well. So again, that's optional, it's entirely up to you, but these all add flavor as the cheese is melting and the salami and the parsley cooking. And also we're going to add some salsa in there, which is really lovely. That just increases the flavor. Again, sprinkle as much or as little as you want. And last and finally, we're going to grate some peppercorns on there, black peppercorns. And again, that will intensify all the flavors. And again, it's optional, or if you can add as much or as little as you want. So this is all prepared, and now the next step is to place our second round puff pastry on top of what we've just done, and you're going to sort of press down on the edges, making sure that they join up nicely. So now that everything is neatly tucked in there, you're going to get your pizza cutter as if you're cutting pizza slices, and you want to cut them about 2 finger widths, more or less. If you carry on watching the video, it will be sort of explained as you go along, and you can sort of eyeball this. So it depends on how big you want your little twists to be. So just carry on watching the video and it will be all explained. And now that you've cut all your little pieces out, you can see I'm just twisting them and sort of pinching the pastry together so nothing falls out, and you keep twisting, and you can also stretch it slightly, and you keep repeating this all the way through until all the pieces that you've cut are all twisted. So when you get to about this stage, you want to get yourself a very large pizza pan. Mine wasn't too big, so I really need to buy myself a bigger one. And you're just going to slide it underneath your pastry. It makes things a lot easier so that you can do the other side of the pastry and start twisting again. So once all your little pastries have been twisted, we're just going to give the whole thing a brush with some milk. And when your little spiral is ready, you're just going to slice the top off to expose the melted cheese, and then you serve to your guests and they can just dip the little tentacles into the cheese. Now, how wonderful and quick is this? It's absolutely delicious. It's full of flavor. So if you've enjoyed this tutorial and you're going to try this recipe, leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next week for another Lena's Home Creations. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and enjoy.